What is going on, everyone? It's McKinley from RV Talk, and today we're taking a first look at the brand new Minnie Winnie NPF 26 NP. This is a Class C motorhome that's absolutely perfect for national and state parks. Wait till you see it. Let's check it out. Alright, so this is the brand new Minnie Winnie NPF 26 NP. This is a really cool RV. As you can probably imagine, it's got a really cool design and style since it's partnered with the National Park Foundation. But before we tour this RV, let's take a quick look at the specs. So you have a total length of 28 feet 5 inches, so just under 30 feet, a total height of 11 feet, and then you have a width of 8.5 feet, and this RV sleeps 6. So a lot of sleeping capacity on this RV, and this is a perfect RV for national parks. Let's go ahead and check out the outside. So this RV is partnered with the National Park Foundation, and it's got a really cool exterior paint job, and you have two slide outs on the opposing campsite, both with slide toppers, and then you have a ladder on the back, and also you have kind of like a partial pass-through storage. So this is great for maybe some fishing poles or stuff like that. And then in here is sort of like an interior type storage space. And then you have all of your water connections, your fuel fill, and then you have these blacked out wheels that really match the design. Let's go ahead and check out the front of this RV, where this RV sits on the brand new E450 chassis. So pretty nice looking front. It is painted, which is nice. I like how it matches the back of the RV. You do have a 17-foot awning, a really large window, which is important if you're driving through national parks, and then you have some underbelly storage all along each side on the bottom. And this is a show debut at the Florida RV Super Show. You do have a couple different things on the campsite, such as your hot water heater, your furnace, exhaust, and then an outlet for a TV. I'm ready to head inside this RV though and check it out. Alright, so stepping into this RV, you've got a pretty open space. You have a really large U-shaped dinette, which is nice because that creates pretty much a twin-size bed when it drops down. And this is great because everyone can sit around and eat. You have a lot of cabinet space up on the top, and then you do have that large window that you saw on the outside with a blackout shade that rolls up. Up above the cab, you have a really large bunk bed, with a TV, a skylight, or a vent fan, and then a window. And then you have the ladder to get up there. Into the front cab of the E450, really nice design. I do like how they did upgrade some things like this display screen for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but even the coloring, it really matches the design. They installed these different seat covers with the Minnie Winnie logo and some cool little mountains. What do you guys think about how they match the design to the RV? Let me know in the comments down below. Over here you have a jackknife sofa, and then you have a window up above that, and then some cabinet space. And then these cabinets are really deep. Check this out. I can barely reach my arm to the back. So it's pretty nice how they're giving you a lot of storage, and then you do have some lights underneath the cabinets. Over to the kitchen area, you have a refrigerator. I like how this refrigerator isn't just a solid color and that it has that wood paneling look because it really goes with the design. You have a freezer on the top and then a fridge on the bottom, but overall pretty nice size fridge for 6 people. And then you have this little side cabinet with these really nice pull-out drawers, so really maximizing that narrow cabinet. Over to the appliances, you have a microwave, a 3-burner cooktop, and then an oven. Next to the oven, you have this cabinet you could put a trash can there, and then you have solid surface countertops as well as a really deep circular stainless steel sink. Above the sink, you have another cabinet that does have quite a bit of space and a shelf in the middle. I'm ready to check out the back, so let's head over there. But first, let's take a look at this, which is a really large storage cabinet. This is great for maybe putting shoes, and you do have adjustable shelves. And then your control panels are right here. Alright, now let's head to the very back of this RV where you have quite a bit of storage space. There is a step up into the bedroom, so just keep note of that. And then you have the bathroom and the bed. So this right here is a queen size bed with lots of cabinets up above, and then you do have windows on each side, and then you have a window in the back as well as a TV in the corner. Heading into the bathroom, you do have a plastic toilet, which is a little bit disappointing for a classy motorhome like this. You have a large shower with a retractable shower curtain, and the height, it's a little bit close, but it's not too bad. You've got a sink and then this medicine cabinet on the wall with a couple shelves, and then you have this really large mirror. And then check this out, this is a really cool Winnebago hand towel holder. Alright, over here is some storage space. Now this is a really large storage area. It passes through and it's accessible from both sides because there's a barn door that slides down the middle, and this one opens from this side and the other one opens from the other side, which I really like because it's accessible even if the door is shut. And then you have this pull-out drawer beneath. Alright, so that is going to do it for the tour of this classy motorhome. What do you guys think? Do you like that it's designed for national parks and has a national park design theme inside? Let me know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more RV tips, tours, product reviews, industry updates, and traveling adventures. Until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the road.